This station rules the nation.
Hey, Roger, that there pea shooter. I tell you what, it's rough and tough out here in Illinois, as I'm sure it is up in your receive too. But man, you come in here and cleaned it out real nice. I want to thank you for that. Sounded real good, my lady. Pea shooter. Until we do it again, you have yourself a fireman, and we will do it again sometime. 289, they call me Illinois Rooster back listening.
Hey, 289. How about that 289? 911, Big Apple, waving. How about that 289, 911, New York City with the wave.
You did get down right there. Sounded real good up in my old antique T-Berry Stalker 5. Have yourself a fireman, pea shooter, 289, Illinois, back in the mail.
No, Roger, no get back on that 289, 911, Big Apple Trees, we stepping back.
I'm just now getting you through the crowd there, man. It's a big old pile up out here, but I did get you in there, Mr. 911 out there in New York, 289, West Central Illinois with the wave right back.
No doubt about it, Mr. 289, man, sounding a whole lot of good in my video gate in the Big Apple Trees, cutting through all the mustard over here in the Big Apple Trees, 911, New York City, waving.
Right there, right back, 911, and I do appreciate you going in video gates so I get to see what my old T-Berry, my old antique T-Berry Stalker 5 sounds like up there in the apple trees. Mr. 911, you have yourself a fireman out that way. It's rough and tough out here, as I'm sure it is on your end too, so I'm going to step back and let you.
911, I heard you out there in New York, 89.
On the west side of Central Illinois, said you have a fireman. We'll do it again. 289 Illinois, back in the bush.
10-4, 289, no doubt about it. That radio sounding good. I heard the other station call it 911, but I didn't get your numbers. 289, 911, Big Apple Trees, waving right back.
Right there, right back. Yeah, I know who I'm talking to there, 911. I'm subscribed to your, all that good stuff, so I'll be checking that video gate out. 911, like I said, I do appreciate you going in video gates for sure, so we can go back and check out what kind of damage we're doing out there in the world of sound when we got a little bit of Mother Nature with these little weaky-squeaky radios. 911, have a good one. We'll do it again. 289, Illinois, back listening.
10-4, no doubt about it, 289, man. That was all you right there. That was all you right there, 289. You already know where to go to catch the video. 911 in the trees, we waving.
How about you, 289, 289, 289, 152, 152 in the apple. No, you're free. I'm here.
It's been a long time since I talked to you there, 152, but you're sounding real good. Break it on through the crowd. 152, 289, Illinois, waving right back.
Hey, 289, save those flowers for yourself. Oh, you got some beautiful audio, my friend. 152, sending that bouquet. 152, LU.
Right there, right back. Doing out there, and I hope we get to do it again real soon, maybe even later on today. I've been there for a while since it's the weekend, so let's have a good one out that way, and I'm waving a hand one more time to Mr. 152 LU. If you have a good one, 289 Illinois, back listening.
289, appreciate the bump, my friend. You take care, be well, be safe. 152, LU, and I'll catch you later when your legs are straighter. Good morning out there, how are you?
How about it, 289? How about you, 289? How about you, 289? 614 in New York, Big Apple Trees, we're trying.
Hollywood, New Jersey, but I might be wrong.
Take over you, Ken. Forget about Hollywood.
Taking control, so I'm going to wave a hand right back at you there. I do believe that was Hollywood, New Jersey, but I'm not quite sure. 289 Illinois with the wave right back.
How about it, 289? How about you, 289? You're 614 in the Big Apple, we're trying.
614 in the Big Apple with a big old wave out there from West Central Illinois, 289, Land of Lincoln said it.
Illinois cruising to fly back. Okay, God bless. That's a negative.
Roger, 15, put it on you more later, 152, how are you?
Houston, Asher. Oh, 311, somewhere around like that. 747 Indiana, appreciated my old friend. 747 in Indiana, 152, you appreciate the bump. Take care, be safe, be well. 152, catch you later when your legs are straighter.
You're right back here, 152. Enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend. 152, how are you? 747, back out.
Looking out east, I got
Hello, 747. Hello, 747. You're clear for landing. 911, New York City, waving.
I don't think my duck fucking gizmo's working right. Hey, Hollywood, New Jersey, I'm waving one more time.
311, LaGuardia Airport.
How about that 747? How about that 747? 911, Big Apple Trees, waving.
311, LaGuardia Airport. 911, 911. Jumbo Jet, flying over 47, waving.
There you go, 747. There you go, 747. You clear for landing over here in New York City, 747. 911, Big Apple Trees, waving.
Riding in these Zirconia when I just got down.
Nobody but 614 in the Big Apple. Nobody but 614 in the Big Apple. We're standing by.
Morning time out there, 614, 614, 747 with the wave.
Wave 747 with the wave. 747. 73s and God bless, no doubt. With the wave, sounding a whole lot of good in New York. You take care and God bless. No doubt, 614 just got down.
There's a big old 614, Roger. Put it on your more later. 47, back out.
How about that 747? Hey, 747, 911, Big Apple, waving.
Hey, good morning time, 911. You just laid it down in my radio. Morning time, 911, 747 with the wave.
Hey, 747, sounding good in my video gate as always. 747, ground control, you clear for landing. 747, 911, gone.
Back number 4 Mobile, that was your turn to burn that go around. Hey, number 4 Mobile, 747, right back.
747 and more 747. Number 9 in the trees just got down.
I did hear that number 4, 747, roll that nickel.
007 289.
In my video gate in the Big Apple Trees, 911, New York City, waving.
Well, take care. God bless and keep you. Don't let nobody take your cornbread. Eat your cornbread.
How about that 289? 289, you got Big Apple shouting you the Big Apple, 152, alley-oop.
I think that was you after 152 hollering at me again there, but old Trentron 9, he had me locked down there for a second there. He's out there on them deep waters, man. He's got that hydroflexion or something going on. But anyway, 152, if that was you hollering at me. If you was calling somebody else, I apologize. But I'm going to wave at you one more time anyway and let you know I heard you up on my radio, Mr. Alley, 289, Illinois, back listening.
289, 289, appreciate the bump, my friend. 152, alley-oop, Big Apple. Appreciate it. Be safe, be well. 152, alley-oop.
I want to visit you. Wildwilly, Colville, Indiana, standing by.
Water, eating that cornbread, Trinitron 9, 747, raise them out.
Good morning.
289, they call me Illinois Rooster, back quiet listening.
289, can I come up over that Trinitron 9? 152, alley-oop, trying.
152, alley-oop, Wildwilly, Colville, Indiana, says hello.
Hey, Wildwilly, I got you by the hand. 152, alley-oop, appreciate the bump.
Okay, 152, you have a good one. Wildwilly, Colville, gone.
Wildwilly, you take care, my friend. Sounding good up here in the Apple. 152, alley-oop.
I can't do nothing about it. I put my first 4 meters on the corn for it. That's what I did. I bring up taking muddy snow. Good morning, Frank.
Your way, man. Look your way and talk to my radio. White cloud waving 4 fingers and a thumb.
Wagon Master said that.
How about it there, White Cloud? I heard you loud and proud. 152, how are you?
Getting slipping and sliding, the man with the board. So, bye.
I'm back quiet.
317, the Wagon Master
The Wagon Master, 911, Big Apple Trees, got you on my radio.
Valentine's Day.
Quiet side. I get on out of here and get on the quiet side, dirty white.
Oh, man. Mind off that catfish boy. Get your mind off that catfish boy, because that's old rooster out here on the west side of Central Illinois is going to try to get my wiki-squeaky radio out here in the middle of the road and probably get my neck stepped on, but I'm going to try it anyway. Patty Snatcher Rooster with the wave back quiet.
Come on.
Yeah, they're all getting down. Look out.
How about your DWD, DWB, DWB, 152, waving alley-oop.
Hey, alley-oop. Good morning to you.
911 in the Big Apple Trees with the video game rolling. Let's go.
Well, after you do it.
There you go, Keller. Oh, man. I bet you can see my sign. Hello?
Times already, I'm still man, you live up there in Grand Style, so I'm letting you know what's going on in my radio.
Sounding loud and proud at my video gate. Don't quite know your handle, but you got some smooth and clean audio. 911, New York City, waving.
Yeah, well, there's definitely too much traffic here. Y'all get down.
I don't know, it might be a Mother Nature thing and it might not, but that's what...
How about that dirty white boy, dirty white boy, dirty white boy, 152, alley-oop, heard you.
Oh, it's just a big old mess.
I heard you that time, 289, but it's a whole lot of mess jumping up and down, man. I got a whole lot of soup in my receive right about now. 911 in the Big Apple Trees, we stepping back.
I got him. Anyway, have a good one out there. 007, you have fun out that way. We're going to step back wide to the side, let some of this stuff cool off. Go get me no trouble.
911 in the Big Apple, Wildwilly, Gulfville, Indiana. Stand up.
Hello, Wildwilly. Hello, Wildwilly. Sounding good in my video game, Wildwilly. 911, New York City, waving right back.
Bye.
With the wave right back, Wildwilly. 911 gone.
Oh dear, 911 sounding good in Indiana. You got it going on. Wildwilly, Gulfville, Indiana.
Go 10.
10-4, Wildwilly. I kind of got to stick and move in between keys, Wildwilly. It's a mess out here, Wildwilly. 911, New York City. We checking it.
Been making a rush. Oh, we'll wait right back. Heard you in there? Hey, take care. God bless. Enjoy your DX 799 Illinois riding this flat on the Gizmo Bank.
10-4, 799 and more 799. 911 in the trees. We checking it.
I thought you said a low there, okay.
Hey, 309, I'm sorry. Hey, 309, I'm sorry. I was saying 209. Hey, 309.
Hey, red truck, before I walk out the door,
I'm trying to Hollywood up there in Illinois riding this flat down.
tell him I'm giving him the green light. I'm going to get a cup of coffee. That ought to make him happy. Hey, red truck, 289, Illinois, I'm gone.
I got a whole video gate full of 289, man. I think those locals of his are going to be happy when he goes on the side. Shame on the mess. I'm gone.
09, you're worldwide Hollywood 799, Illinois, getting down on the flat.
That's 799, making a whole lot of noise in the Big Apple trees. Hey, 799, look at here, 911, waving.
243, I dropped it. Got winds out the north. Hey, you tell my neighbor. Hey, you
don't be telling me those stories out there.
Tell that to
I figured he'd get a laugh out of that because he could still hold him anytime he wanted to. 289, Illinois, I'm getting out of here to go get a cup of coffee. I done said it 3 or 4 times, and I'm still sitting here listening to you guys. I'm out of here. I'll be back.
289, 799, man, they going at it in my video gate. They going at it in my video gate. 911 New York City with the referee shirt on.
911, you still walking the dog in the cornfield, that's for sure.
Hey, man, thanks a lot, man. Keep some of them flowers for yourself and roll them up and smoke them around those cornfields. 911, Big Apple trees, waving.
You know that's right. Oh, Wildwilly gone. I didn't like it.
Wildwilly, I'm gone now.
911, hey, 911, you laying down around the cornfield, 747, waving.
Hey, 747, man, you doing your thing in my video gate, 747. There was a fight out here earlier. There was a fight out here in Illinois, man. 911 had the gate rolling and the referee shirt on. What you say?
I would appreciate the wave out there, 911. Have yourself a good day. Enjoy your weekend. 911, 747, back out.
10-4, no doubt about it, 747, while you flying high. 911 on the apple trees, waving.
You're welcome to the weekend on Hollywood, 799.
I have a good one out there, 911. We appreciate the bump, hey, sounding really good over in Indiana. You get on top of it. Ranger 747 with the wave. Hey, that's what we're doing there, Ranger. We're sitting back getting our morning nut in, isn't it?
747, 152, alley-oop, one more time. 747, 152, alley-oop.
Cornbread, adios. Adios, cornbread to Carolina.
How about you, 747, 152, alley-oop, still trying, 152, Big Apple.
Red truck.
Hey, 747, no problem getting back. I heard you loud and proud. Appreciate the bump. Sounding good as always. 152, alley-oop. Bye. 152, alley-oop. I'm off the key.
Most definitely rocking the mail, brother. Thirsty face.
It's been a long time. Hey, Rooster, you got to take a mall down today. Good morning, Tom. Welcome to the... Yeah. Hey, Red Rooster, take care. God bless. Keep on putting that duck plug and the hammer down my way.
Watch out. 243. You got some hammers on you.
Cornfields in the Big Apple trees. A whole lot of cornfields in the Big Apple trees. 911, New York City, waving.
You didn't say his days were numbered, did you?
Look like we hanging out in the cornfields today, man. It look like we're gonna have to take one of those damn corn husks and roll up a joint. 911, Big Apple trees, waving.
Cornfield 911, 747, right back.
Little panty snatch.
10-4, 747, still got you in my video gate, 747, coming in over the pile, 911, New York, waving.
747, reading them out. Hey, 243, you better blow it up. 427, right, go back. Waiting around the grass, come on. That's a double old just cruising to Indiana. Wildwilly come down there.
Green Bay, Papa, Wisconsin, country, no doubt about it. I'm going to let them boys have the answer. I'm going to
that number 2 Dodge. Hey, Pat, man, and that number 2 Dodge. Top of the weekend, 747 waving.
Those cornfields making so much noise, man. They all jumping all on top of each other. Shame on the mess, man. We got a good gate going here. A whole lot of Illinois, 911 in the trees, waving.
Get out of the way. That's over. 747 in the clear.
Hey, 747, man, you winning the Royal Rumble out here in my video gate. Hey, 747, you winning the Royal Rumble in my video gate. Illinois is making all the noise today. 911 waving.
Hey, 911, we'll put it on you more later. Hope these old conditions hold up. I heard my buddy Code Man out here too. Hey, Code Man, you just make a little bit of noise, Code Man. 747 out.
Between the Mississippi and Illinois River, and you jump a blow.
There you go, Code Man. There you go, Code Man. Back out. Come on with it.
I heard somebody out there say he's on the Mississippi, Illinois River. 911, New York City, said, I heard you on my radio.
Hey, 911, that's 799 Hollywood. He's out there between the Illinois and Mississippi River and that little sliver of land, Illinois on the west side. The river's there. A little bit west of him, but... Oh, 289. Illinois Rooster on the west side of the fence.
289. Thanks for giving me the tour. Thanks for giving me the tour. 289 of Illinois. 911 Big Apple Trees waving.
Well, yeah, it's been rough and tough on this end. Hollywood, put it on you more later. 47 back out.
Hey, man, it's a whole lot of noise coming out of Illinois today, man. Shame on the mess. 911 Big Apple Trees. We listening.
We'll do it again later. 747 back out.
You got the...
He'll be back later, but Hollywood, we will tell 007.
Or something.
Weekend 43.
I'm back in the bush.
There's a whole lot of soup. There's a whole lot of soup on my receiver in New York City. It's about that time I jump in the lab and work on these video gates. 911 New York City. We 10-10 till we do it again.
007, you have a good one. 007, 747, we're gone.